Hello everybody, this is Diadem Boss. Today I'll be showing you how to fry akara in a super simple, classical and vegetarian friendly way. In this recipe, I'll be using 3 cups of peeled beans. Please see how to do this in my other video. Chopped onions, 1 habanero pepper, salt to taste, and seasoning cubes, that's optional, and also frying oil. I add beans in blender, making sure that the added water is at same level with it, or better still a bit under. You can always add more water bit by bit if need be. Better safe than sorry. Reasons being that akara needs to be of a thicker consistency, while moi moi can be blended with more water since it needs it anyways. At this stage, I'm satisfied with the smoothness, so I add the habanero pepper. I like it this way. You may also choose to chop it and add it along with the chopped onions just before frying. This is what it looks like after blending it. This is the consistency you should work towards. If it is thicker than this, add a little water, but be careful. Turn the batter very well so as to incorporate air, which in turn makes the akara fluffy on the inside and crispy on the outside. I add salt at this stage. I will not be using the seasoning cubes. I then add the chopped onions and continue to turn. The oil, about 1 liter or more, is heated on medium. Gently lower the batter into the oil and let cook for about a minute before you start turning. Fry until golden brown. Transfer the akara balls on paper towel so as to soak the excess oil. Enjoy with ogi, also called akamu, eko, also called agidi, and bread. See my next video on how to make ogi from scratch using corn flour. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and leave a comment.